Hello Internet, this is your daily dose of Stack Overflow data science. Today we are going to help Tony, and Tony has a problem in finding all possible lists from a list. So he's saying, I made a simple program which is supposed to calculate all possible lists of a given list. For example, 1, 2, 3 gives all this list, but I think he has a problem with English, but it returns a none type. I think that is the error in append. Yep. So somebody commented append always returns none type and modifies the list in place. You can replace this option. Then this one, let me open this. Yeah, so this is just the same thing. What values are you passing to the function? So I started answering this. I told him, I think you're trying to get a power set of a set. If so, you can do it as follows, and I want to put in the code here. So first of all, I want to create a power set function. I make sure that it works on my computer. Powerset.py. I'm going to use ITER tools. So from ITER tools, I'm going to import chain, and I'm also going to to use combinations. So combinations will help me to combine stuff, combine items in a list. Then I'm going to define power set, and then iterable. So it can be a list, it can be anything that I can iterate through. Then that iterable, I'm going to make it a list. So L should be equal to list of that iterable. Then my power set is going to be I'm going to chain from iterable. Then I'm going to have my combinations, and my combinations, I think I should make this one a list. No, I can just yeah. So my combinations of the set itself, and then the number of items that I want to combine with should be n, and those n will be for n in range, and it should be the range of length of S. So the number of items in S, the number of items in S plus 1, not S, I mean L. So that is my power set here, and based on his question, he is looking for list of lists, so we are going to change these ones to lists of list. So I'm going to return a list, and this should be list of I for I in the power set. So this gives us what he's looking for. Then we are going to, I'm going to print power set power set 1, 2, 3, and hopefully we are going to have power set. So let's run this Python power set, and voila. So we have this as the solution. Then now we can answer his question. I'm going to copy this code here. I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so I think you're trying to get a power set or a set. If so, you can do it as follows: this, and then I say, and the output is 2 3 2 3, enter. So here's the output. So I'm going to copy this output here and I paste it here. So, and the output is this. Yeah, so hopefully this is going to help Tony solve his problems. Until tomorrow, have a great day. Post.